Hello everyone, this is Roxanne. Grinage. It's September 3rd, 11:28 in the morning, 11:28 a.m. I didn't plan on making this video. I had just made a video of a job interview explaining how I've been blackballed for exposing the corruption in the corrupt First Judicial Philadelphia family court system. And now I've been contacted by the Philadelphia Sheriff's Department by telephone, and I have faxed back Sergeant Muse, M-U-S-E, in the Philadelphia Sheriff's Department has told me that he would review my information. I faxed back to him our most recent fax and referred him to where he could see the reasons why I am in deliberate, the Higher Layers Collaborative Constituency, are in deliberate defiance of a proven criminal Fern Caplan custody master order contrived premeditatedly with a private counsel, Timothy E. Possenti, Esquire, to recklessly endanger my grandchildren, blocks all education opportunities, and blocks life-saving health care for my son-in-law, my addiction-impaired son-in-law, for the purpose of guaranteeing money, extorting money out of the addiction-impaired son-in-law. And they deliberately know that he's drug addicted. They censored and destroyed 47 pages of evidence of his history of becoming progressively more violent, abandoning the kids more often, failed to prove why they should even be removed from the only home they've ever known with protective grandparents, who were in fact the plaintiffs, and said, please get him out of this crazy woman's house that he took them to July 10th. Anyway, I'm getting this up here real fast because I don't know what's going to happen. And as promised, we share all of our information and learning. We are committed to joining the momentum of the morally initiated momentum to dismantle corrupt CPS and family court machines all around the world. However, we are very much in alignment with stimulus and budget implementation in U.S. economy, and we have the data and experience that is qualified for connecting the cost to removing human product. Let me put this up. I wrote this book, and that's what got me blackballed, proving how it's already been proven that family court is a big business machine. However, I exposed it here in Philadelphia for the 4 or 5 people that assaulted my family under the guise of their professional positioning with the family court. However, these people are extremely politically powerful. Fern Caplan is said in a CBS interview of Gloria Allred that she's her best friend, and Timothy E. Possenti gives the political donations down here. They're all over the internet. Just punch his name in, and he buys he has several pieces of property in media, and in Ocean City he bought a $274,000 house. He's on the committee minutes of the court. He serves as a support master also and defense counsel, conflict of interest. He sits on the Brandywine Youth League, and he has and his family or someone that looks a lot like him on his Facebook page. Just punches him, you can see what he looks like. We are committed to someone is stalking. He has goons stalking my daughter, harassing her, following her, and everybody's aware of it in the neighborhood. Higher Layers has a collaborator constituency. We've been very active in community development, and we have a great deal of support. However, we're dealing with a machine-like process that can be enacted depending on the morality and integrity of any given worker at the time. In this case, it needs to be taken seriously even though this is now a federal matter, we've proven the criminality and the criminal intent of their order. We are committed to defending our constitutional right to keep our families safe, but we're in a local jurisdiction who may not honor our constitutional rights, as we've already proven that our constitutional rights to due process, discovery, and disclosure were in fact violated. We taped that. We digitally recorded that hearing, and we have proofs. And then we have surveillance proofs for the 1 week that Eric did have them over his new girlfriend's house, how they were recklessly endangered, not cared for, broke out with bumps all over their face. We have proof that now the Philadelphia Sheriff's Office is now aware of these proofs. They were given stay away order of yesterday to stay away, for stop harassing and stalking Lorraine. They were demanded to correct the proven criminal order of Fern Caplan restore physical custody rights to the mother, and mandate the father to demonstrate clean time and a suitable place to live. That the place, his new girlfriend's house, is already recorded in the hearing, accepted by corrupt Fern Brown Caplan as saying, I just want some foster kids. I wasn't able to qualify for some foster kids. And in my cross-examination, I proved she's functionally illiterate. She testified to Fern Brown Caplan that she is on disability for several things, including hearing disability. They destroyed my evidence where she's in multiple car accidents in the Philadelphia civil docket, where she sues just long enough to take an out-of-court immediate cash settlement, and she deliberately gets in car accidents. All of this, that we have proof that it's a criminal order. We are no longer under the jurisdiction of the Philadelphia corrupt family court machine. It's been proven, and this is a federal matter and a Supreme Court matter. Pray for us. We don't know if there's going to be home invasion. We do have cameras uploaded so that we'll have immediate brutality. If there is a home invasion by the police, the local police or anything, in violation of our constitutional rights, forced entry, whatever brutality, we're going to do our best to defend our children, our grandchildren, and our own lives. And whatever brutality or whatever we suffer, personal injury or wrongful death, well, I'm sure will be all reconciled in future processes if the worldwide internet community of humanity continues with its commitment to dismantle this evil, corrupt family court machine that is siphoning money from all valid, legitimate U.S. economy industries of education, advertising, military defense, technology, arts, entertainment, engineering, and siphoning it to paid human trafficking, modern day slavery, and the sex industry. Please look at some of former Senator Georgia Diane Schaefer's videos and her talk at the World Congress. Look at the Center for Judicial Excellence documentaries, all on the internet. Punch my name, Roxanne Grinage, Roxanne, G as in George, RIN as in Nancy, AGE. I created a form, download it, or just fill it in, just open it up and zap it all over the place. It's a Word document, you type right into it. With any family victim, any victim of corrupt CPS, attorneys, social workers, law enforcement, they can, without any legal knowledge whatsoever, they can just fill the form out, share it with their friends and family and neighbors, complete the form, and they will be able to prove the crimes, and they will be able to be prepared for class action to come together as collaborative clusters in each state, in each federal district, and do your class actions, and in each state your UCC liens, because you'll be able to prove a forced commercial transaction where you become the creditors of people who took something of value from you, including your lost wages while you scrambled to save your family, the utility shutoffs and the eviction notices and the expenses of moving and everything while you scramble to save your children. You will be able to prove the value of that and collect it from their personal assets. I wish every personal assets, that's their bank accounts, their kids' college funds, aggressively. Don't protect their anonymity. Publish their names, publish their addresses everywhere, all your profiles, your MySpace, your Yahoo, your blogs, publish them. Publish pictures of the family photos that they have of their children, all up on Flickr and everything, and they will be less likely to ravage and go through and disrespect and consume and engorge themselves on our children at our expense. You know, if they have to worry about somebody knowing where they are. It's two-way accountability. Let's have accountability. Jump on this window of time with President Obama's Goodwill Stimulus and Economic Recovery Plan highlights accountability. Let's all be accountable for our actions. God bless everyone. Please pray for me. It's really bad here in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. Do everything you can to cut off funding to the courts here. Everything. All right. Talk to you later. Love you. Bye.